Hello again! So it is time for my last puzzle from this set, the 500 piece puzzle, and those will be the boats. I have done the umbrellas and the buttons and the veggies already. I've done the 300 piece puzzles and the 150 piece puzzles, but I didn't film it because it was just during the marathon, so you won't see them here. I guess I didn't film it. I can show you pictures. I'll show you pictures. You know what? Look at the pictures. Alright, and now we're coming to the last one, the boats. Let's do it! Alright, you guys, so nothing spectacular here. This one was fun because you could separate the colors quite easily. And yeah, as you saw, I started with yellow, I think. And then I did that one and this, and yeah, that was easy. The only thing is, but that's not a great difficulty, but the images on the box, well, on that what I cut out, you can see here, they are. That's just a little bit of the image because it's always a little bit more than that. So it will be more here as well. And this one I already did. So, but that's no problem. I'm used to do things without the image. So yes, let's go to the next one.